Hey, everybody. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. You're watching the Gold Cup at Dubbo. This is Heat 2. A few things I forgot to mention in Heat 1. There are two classes in this race. There's the KA3 seniors, which are in front of us, and there's my class. I did get pole in qualifying, so I'm at the front of my class. You kind of got to ignore the drivers in front of me, essentially, unless I get past, which obviously sometimes I do. Another thing I forgot to mention was, for some reason, the rest of the drivers in my class decided to drop the minimum weight to 170 kilograms without my knowledge. So the minimum weight for tag restricted medium with everything, so kart, engine, driver, equipment, well, not equipment, but like gear, like the helmet, suit, everything that you have on the track. It has to meet the minimum weight of 180. And everyone at the start of this weekend in the class had a gentleman's agreement to go 170. I didn't get that gentleman's agreement. I didn't get told. So qualifying in Heat 1, I was 180. Everyone was 170. They did go back to 180 in Heat 2, 3, and finals. But yeah, that was a fun surprise for me. Heat 2, this is where the issues were starting to arise. I did think it was the engine. I was just losing pace, and there was just lack of performance coming out of the corners, and it was a super hot day, so it will come down to the setup as well for the kart. Being a new engine and me not knowing it so well, I thought I was just doing a few things wrong with the engine tuning or how I was driving the engine. So yeah, there's a little bit of an issue in Heat 2, huge issue in Heat 3, but yeah, please watch all of the race. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you and appreciate it.